Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to make Google Drive folder available in offline. Okay, so there is a server way you can use Google Drive folder, or you can use the Google Drive as offline. So guys, let's start with the video. Before you starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first let me come to Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. Okay, so now you can see I have folder and file here. So you can operate your files and folder offline. There is a two-way. First method, you can use the Google Drive application to your desktop and synchronize your folder to Google Drive, or synchronize Google Drive folder. So just download Google Drive application and open it, and you can synchronize your, you can log in with your account from here. Just log in, add your email ID, and you synchronize your computer folder or laptop folder to Google Drive. You have to select the folder from here, or you can synchronize folder from Google Drive. Okay, you have to click on this mirror file. It will be store all your drive file in cloud and on your computer. Okay, so click on that, save it, and now if you explore your file, like here you can see there is a Google Drive option. Folder will become here, and the all file will be available in offline. You can open it and use it. Okay, before that you have to make some settings. Go to the Google Drive and click on settings, and click on create and open edit your recent Google Docs, sheets, and slide file device offline. Okay, so it will be work on your recent Google Docs, sheet, and slide file drive. Okay, and click and done. But if you are using the Google Drive application and make the setting like I show you, so the all file will be available offline working. Okay, so if you click on offline and click done, so only this device you will have, you can edit or open your files, recent files, in browser also. But if you want to access all files and folder offline, then you can download the Google Drive application and you can operate from your computer. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.